Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of knee-high socks to fit 9-inch dolls like Mattel's modern Stacie doll, vintage Skipper, vintage World of Love dolls, and similar sized little girl or pre-teen dolls. Before we begin, please go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out 2 sock pieces. I recommend using stretchy fabric for this project, like t-shirt fabric, swimsuit fabric, or a nice jersey fabric. Fold the fabric at the top of the sock down. So you'll see me doing that right here. You don't want to fold it down very far, just a little bit. And whip stitch it to form a hem. If you need help with the whip stitch, I do have a tutorial for that. Just look for that tutorial in the description below this video on YouTube. Fold the sock in half the long way. So I'll show you what I mean by that. You want your hem to be outside so you can see your stitches when you do this. And whip stitch from the hem at the top of the sock to the tiny opening at the bottom. Press the opening between the thumb and index finger so that the seam that you just finished stitching is right in the middle. Now that's tricky, so here's what I mean by that. Okay, so what I did is I kind of pinched the sides of it until it flattened out, and I'm trying to get that seam that I just finished in the very back. Now with the previous seam in the middle, use a backstitch to close this toe area opening. If you need help with the backstitch, again, I have a tutorial for that in the description below. Just look in the description, scroll down on YouTube so you can see the description below. Invert your sock. Now a chopstick can be very helpful for that, and you'll see me use one right here. I use the blunt end to start, and then when you get down toward the toe you want to be very careful that you don't poke all the way through. Follow all of these same steps to make the second sock, and now you're ready to try your socks on a doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Now stay with me for a minute. I'm going to tell you a little about some things coming up on my website. If you would actually like to purchase this outfit for a 9-inch doll, remember it's compatible with modern Stacie or vintage Skipper. It is for sale on my website at this time with all the components that you see pictured here. Please look for a link in the description. The shoes, the cutting mat, and the doll will not be included with the sale. But you may, when you get to my website, enjoy reading this month's blog posts on the history of African fashion and how these have shaped fashion in America. This is part of a celebration of Black History Month at shelleywood.com. It's February 2024. This tutorial's background music is by Jeremy Hill, and you can learn more about his music if you look in the description below. You can click on a link to his Amazon page. The music rights were purchased through Animoto, so all rights are reserved.